Good evening, Rehan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Rehan, you are not writing the test, Rehan.
Ma'am?
You are not writing the test?
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday, actually, I had a
Just
really
a minute,
bad
just,
head.
just a minute. Good evening, Pranay. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aditi. Good evening. So you can turn on the video, student.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Manasvi. Children, turn on the video. Aditi, Manasvi, Sudeep, Pranay. I hope, children, you have got your answer sheets, right? Aditi, you got your mistakes? What mistakes you have done?
Yes.
Okay, good. And Manasvi, very good. Well done. I think you have got full marks. Sudeep, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
How much you have got?
Ma'am, full.
Very good. Yes. Kusum, what about your answer sheet?
Ma'am, I was not able to write the test, ma'am. There was a function at home, ma'am. So,
Okay, okay. But you can complete it now, okay? By today, you can complete and you can send it.
okay, ma'am. After the two classes, I will complete it, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Gitanjali. Children, try to join the class on time so that we can start on time. Right. Okay, so let's start. I think, first of all, turn on the video. Rashmika, Kusum, Manasvi, Jashvita, Medhansh, turn on the videos fast. Okay, now we will be talking about the experiment, which is very important for your examination. Now, in the board examination, they will not be asking you to, explain the entire experiment, write about it, why it is important, all those things. They do not, never ever they ask all such kind of the question to write in the detailed way. So, what do they do? Based on the experiments, they give the questions. Like how, whatsoever kind of the solutions are needed for the experiment, whatsoever is needed, for during the experiment time and all, they will be asking to write the function of it. Like, for example, the experiment what we are going to discuss now, in that one chemical is there, which is the name of that name of that chemical is potassium hydroxide. So that potassium hydroxide basically, it actually has a function where it absorbs all the CO2 which whatsoever is present in the atmosphere. Okay, so that is how they ask the question indirectly. So write the function of KOH, use this in experiment. Write the function of Vaseline, used in the experiment. So likewise, what we will be doing, I'll be explaining you the entire experiment, and also at the same time, along with the diagram, along with the experiment, I will be explaining you the functions also. Okay? Any doubt, children? Anything you wanted to ask? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first I will be explaining you and then you can proceed further. Okay, just 1 minute. Just give me a minute. Okay. So the name of the experiment is carbon dioxide is important for the photosynthesis, right? The raw material, very important raw material it is. So it is important for the photosynthesis process. Is it visible, my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's. Okay. We will be discussing about the aim of the experiment. What we are going to discuss is, I my voice is, I think, echoing. Someone has to. Gitanjali, I think you have to mute yourself. I think from your side it is coming. Huh. Now fine. So the name of the experiment, what we are going to study, it is about the carbon dioxide is essential or is necessary for photosynthesis. Now, how we can prove that and what all materials are required for this is essential for photosynthesis. This is the aim of the experiment. Now, for this experiment, we will be needing the materials like what all we will be needing? Like we will be needing, first thing we will be needing two healthy potted plant, okay? Two healthy potted plant. The same variety of the plants we have to take two in number. The second thing, what do we require are the bell jars. Bell jars are basically a kind of the glass structure. It will be inverted like this. I'll just make the diagram. It will be like this. One jar will be there like this. So that is why it is called as bell jar. The shape is like the bell, the inverted bell. So that's how it's called as bell jar. So we will be requiring two bell jar, and this bell jar basically they are made up of the glass. Then we require the potassium hydroxide pellets. Potassium hydroxide pellets. Pellet means small form of it. Small round. Like you have the sugar. Sugar will be in the form of the crystal. Okay. The same small crystal should be a little bigger in size. That is what it is called as the pellets. And this KOH is, this potassium hydroxide is basically KOH. Then we will be requiring the Petri dish. You might have seen in your labs. The Petri dish will be a kind of the small glass-like plate. Then we will be needing the Vaseline. The Vaseline, what do we use for our body? Sometimes we apply it on the lips also, sometimes on a hand also. That Vaseline we need it, which we generally call as petroleum jelly also. Then we will be needing the iodine solution for the experiment. Then we will be needing the burner. Then we need, okay, burner we can remove. Then we will be needing the test tube. Then we will be needing the dropper. So these are some of the things what we will be requiring for the experiment. So two healthy potted plants, bell jar, KOH, petri dish, Vaseline, iodine solution, test tube and dropper. Am I clear till here, children? What do we need it? Rashmika, Gitanjali,
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudeep, Pranay.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear till here, children? Should we go for the next one? Rashmita, Medansh,
Yes.
Mahanvita, Rehan. Okay. Now let's go. Now don't write anything, children. Let me explain you through the diagram how it will be working. Okay. Don't write anything until I'll say. Okay. So just keep your pens down and listen how this experiment will be working. So I'm making the diagram here. What I did is I am taking the two healthy potted plant. As already I told you what we need to do. We have to take the two potted plants. Okay. So suppose these are my two healthy potted plants I have taken here. Same way I am taking it here also. Okay. Now two healthy potted plants I have taken. Now this one I am marking as A. This one I am marking as B. The A1 we are calling it as the experimental plant. A plant we are calling it as experimental plant, and the B1 we are calling them as the control plant. Do you have any idea why we are giving the experimental and control plant name? Though the plants are same, but why are we giving different names to it?
Ma'am, experimental plant means on which we are gonna perform the experiment, and the other plant, like control plant, it will be the same as it is.
Very good, Aditi. Correct. So experimental plant means the plant on which we are going to the experiment, we are going to do the testing and all. And in the control plant, there will not be any kind of the experiment we will be doing it. That's what we are calling it as control plant. To see the changes, to observe the changes, we will be using that control plant. Okay. Now, normal potted plant I have taken. What do we need to do? In the first one, which we have used, there we have to keep the glass. And in that glass, what do we need to keep? We have to keep the potassium pallets. So there will be the potassium pallets in the A setup. Okay, in the A setup, we are keeping the potassium pallet, and then what we are doing, we are covering this setup. So this is suppose a plate down, and now we are covering this with the jar, a glass jar we are using. And how we will be covering here downwards at this point, we will be applying the Vaseline. So we cannot just, turn the bell jar and we cannot keep it. If we just without using the Vaseline, if we try to keep it, what happened? The air can come inside, the air can go outside. That is the reason we will be using the Vaseline to seal the setup for sealing purpose. So as soon as we apply the Vaseline over the surface, what happened? The air which is present inside cannot come outside, and the air which is present outside cannot come inside. Okay, so that is why the Vaseline is being used in the experiment. Now the main function of the KOH here, why we are keeping the KOH here, the main property of the KOH is to absorb the CO2. So whatever the CO2 is present inside now, who will be absorbing it? The KOH. Clear? Now, the second one, what we need to do is, we have to just cover this setup with the Vaseline without any kind of the KOH. Without using the KOH, what we are doing, we are just covering the entire setup. And now both the setup, what do we need to do? We have to give the light to it. The light will be coming to both the setups. So that is how the experiment one will be. So this is the center part of it which I have explained you. Before this, there is one more part which is about the destarching. So we have to destarch the plant. It means we have to remove the starch. How we will be doing it? We will be doing it by keeping in dark for 48 hours. So both the plants we have to keep in the dark for 48 hours, and then we have to do this experiment. So one experimental plant with the KOH, cover it with the glass jar with the Vaseline, and the second one control plant, just cover it with the jar. That's it. Okay. So first step is destarching, second step is covering it and also keeping the KOH. Now in the next step, what happened? We have to do the iodine test. So iodine you might have seen in your lab. In the iodine test, what we need to do, from both the leaves, from both the potted plant, we have to take the leaf. So any one leaf, we have to pluck it from both the potted plant. Suppose this is the experimental plant, this is the control plant. Now, as soon as when you put the drop of the iodine on this, what happened? Here, the leaf will not turn into blue-black color. Why the leaf does not turn into blue-black color? Because there is no starch present. All the starch, all the CO2 was absorbed by the KOH. So when every amount of the CO2 was absorbed by the KOH, there was no formation of the starch. That is why with the iodine, there was no blue-black color. Whereas from the second plant where nothing was kept, in that plant when iodine was put on over the leaf, what happened automatically? The leaf turned into blue-black color. So this shows the presence of the starch. Clear? So that is how we can say that the carbon dioxide is essential for the photosynthesis process. Am I clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, Rehan, Sudeep, Pranay,
Yes, ma'am.
Rashmita, Gitanjali, Mahanvita,
Yes, ma'am.
Medhansh. Any doubt if you want to ask children, you can ask it. Very important this experiment is. It has been
Actually, ma'am, I had a doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I don't know if you mentioned or not, but how is Vaseline so powerful to like not let it and let any carbon dioxide out or any atmospheric gas?
See, Vaseline has such kind of the chemical present inside. What it does a kind of the working of Fevicol like thing. Okay. So the moment when we apply it, automatically that surface of the glass gets stuck over there. So it does not allow anything to pass it. If you have the Vaseline, the small Vaseline dabba will be there, right? At the home, you can try this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it does not allow any kind of the air to pass in or out.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what happened? This experiment is given in the different ways in the different books. This is one of the way which I have told you. First is destarching by keeping in the dark for 48 hours. Then keeping the KOH pellet and covering it, and then doing the iodine test with it. Now, in some of the book, what they have given is they have given one more step before iodine test. What they have given is they have given that both the leaves, what do we need to do? We have to boil it in the alcohol. Okay, two ways it is given in the different book. In the first way, it is destarching. The second step will be KOH keeping and covering with the bell jar. Third step is directly iodine solution. We have to put it and see the result. And the second way, destarching will be the first step. Second step is covering with the KOH will be there and covering with the bell jar. And the third step is decolorization. Decoloration means where the boiling of leaf we need to do. Boiling of leaf in alcohol we need to do to remove the chlorophyll. Okay. So that's what in your Sunday's test I have given the question. So decoloration, which is like we have to boil the leaf. So the leaf from both the setups, we have to take it. We have to boil it in what? In the alcohol. So here the alcohol, in the alcohol, we have to boil it. Now, why the boiling is important? The boiling is important so as to remove the chlorophyll from the leaf. So like this, there will be the stand. On the stand, we have to give the burner. The burner will be there, and then automatically what happened, the boiling has to be done. Once the boiling of the leaf is being done for both the setup, then we have to wash it with the water to remove the alcohol and then do the iodine test. So you will be getting the same result. In the A1 there will not be any blue black color, whereas in the B1 there will be the presence of starch, which is blue black color. Okay, so any doubt, children, till here now?
No.
Ma'am, both the leaves are boiled in alcohol. So what's the difference?
Yes, both the leaves are boiled in the alcohol so as to remove the chlorophyll from both the leaves. Okay. If the chlorophyll is there, then we will not be able to do the experiment properly. We will not be able to see the color properly. So that is why they are being boiled, so that whatever the green color is there, whatever the chlorophyll pigment is there, it can be removed. And easily when iodine is being poured on those leaves, we can see the result. And this is called as decoloration. And how the decoloration will be done? It is done by boiling in the alcohol. Okay. So should we start writing now, children? So the experiment name and materials required we are done with. So let's start writing with the procedure. Rashmika, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Jashvita?
Materials required.
Okay. Jashvita, any doubt do you have? Kusum,
No,
any
ma'am.
doubt? Okay. Mahanvita, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Gitanjali, or any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Rehan, Sudeep, Medansh? Okay,
No,
now.
ma'am.
Okay. So let's go now for the next part. Done, children, with this? And this experiment is very important, children, for your examination. They ask many MCQs from this experiment. What is the function of the KOH? Why it is being used in the experiment? What is the function of the Vaseline? What do you understand by the experimental plant and the control plant? Write the difference between them. So like this, indirectly they're asking you the question. So you should know the answers of everything. So don't write this. I will be writing in a clear way. This is only for the explanation
Ma'am,
part.
can you share the material required once?
Okay. So just write experiment and materials required. Don't write the other thing, because I will be writing it again with a proper format, proper way, proper steps. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's go for the procedure. Learn these steps. The reason why I'm telling you to learn the step, because they will be giving you the steps jump in the jumbled form. So the fourth step will be as one step, then the next step they will be giving. They will be asking you to write in the proper sequence for the 2 marks. Got it? That is why you should know the correct steps or the procedure for the experiment. Because they will be jumbling everything. All the steps they will be jumbling here and there, and we have to correct them. So the first step is de-starch 2 plants by keeping them in darkness for 48 hours. This is what we called as de-starching process. Now, second one is place one plant under a bell jar with a petri dish. So, in the petri dish, what we need to do? We have to keep the KOH. This is called as the experimental plant. Whereas the next step is place the other plant under another bell jar. Another bell jar which we call them as the control plant. Now the fourth step is seal jars airtight with Vaseline. So Vaseline is being used to make the air setup tight. Now leave both plants in sunlight for 6 hours. Done, children, till here?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done? Should we go to the next one now? Now, sixth one, we need to perform the iodine test on a leaf from each plant. So, from both the plant, we have to take and we have to perform the test. So, in this, there will be the 2 process. First thing is we have to do the declaration of leaf, which will be done by boiling of leaf in alcohol. So this is how we will be doing it. And now why we do it, why the decoloration is important? This is important to remove chlorophyll. To remove chlorophylls. And ultimately, the last one, what do we need to do is, we have to perform the iodine test. So on both the leaves, we have to just use the iodine solution and then we have to see what kind of the result. So iodine test on both the leaves. On both leaves. So decoloration of the leaf, we need to do it by boiling the leaf in alcohol so as to remove the chlorophyll. And after that, the iodine test will be performed on both the leaves. Iodine test is nothing but we have to just put the drops of the iodine over the leaf. Now, should we go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done, Rehan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, okay. Now, should we go to the next one? The observation. So, what are we going to observe? Observation. The first point related to the observation is that the leaf from the control plant turns blue-black color when treated with iodine. So when we treat it with the iodine, it will be turning blue-black color. That is what we have observed. The second thing, the leaf from experimental setup, experimental plant turns pale yellow or brown with iodine. So it was because of the KOH. KOH was used in this. That is the reason it happened. And the last one, the result. What is the result? The result, it says that the starch is present only in the leaf from the control plant because there was no KOH. That is why the starch was present in the control plant, which was exposed to normal air with the CO2. Normal air with CO2. Is it done, children?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody has done, children? Rehan, Sudeep, Pranay, Nidhansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi, Aditi, Jaspita, Rashmika,
Yes,
Gitanjali.
ma'am.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, now last one, the conclusion. The conclusion. So what do we conclude with the experiment? Sometimes they ask for the 1 mark about the conclusion part also. So the conclusion is the photosynthesis did not occur in the experimental In the experimental plant, due to the absence of CO2, as it was absorbed by the KOH, as absorbed by KOH. And this proves that CO2 is necessary for photosynthesis. So that is what we have concluded from the experiment. So this is a very simple experiment. The only thing you should know step by step what color we have, what thing we have to do it. First is destarching. Second one is setting the experimental setup by using the KOH in one plant. The third thing is decoloration by boiling it in the alcohol and then washing in the water. And the last step is by conducting the iodine test for this. Any doubt, children? Any one of you have?
No, ma'am.
Done, children, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's have now some questions and all.
Ma'am, once can you show it?
Let me share it again. Just a minute. Those who have done, start sending, children. Can you see my screen now, Kusum?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it done, children?
Yes, I'm done. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay. So everybody turn on the videos, children. Manasvi, what is the function of KOH?
Ma'am, to remove iodine, to remove starch.
KOH. The plate, in the plate will be keeping the KOH. What does it do? Think CO2 they will be absorbing. So whatsoever the CO2 is present inside the experimental setup, that they will be absorbing. Okay. Jashmita, what is the function of Vaseline?
Ma'am, to what do you say, like fixing it and not letting the air come
It means to make the air
to make close it.
to make the setup airtight. Okay. In a
Yeah.
simple, you should write to make the setup airtight so that the air cannot go in and out of it. Okay. Okay. Kusum, what is the name of the experiment what we have discussed today? What is the aim?
When carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis.
Okay, very good. Pranay, what do you understand by destarching? What is destarching? Destarching means?
Destarching means during start.
Pranay, be a little louder because I can't hear you.
Hello, ma'am. I
Get
have mic, ma'am. So, ma'am, is it audible?
Yeah, it is audible. It is audible now.
Ma'am, it is the process of removing means storage stored starch from a plant by keeping it in darkness.
Okay. So basically, destarching is a process in which the plant will be kept in the darkness for 48 hours to remove the starch from the setup. Okay. Mahanvita, what is how the decoloration will be done?
Ma'am?
How the decoloration will be done?
Ma'am, the declaration.
Ma'am, it is done by boiling the leaf in alcohol.
Very good, Pranay. Correct. So that will be done. Decoloration will be done by boiling the leaf in the alcohol. So as we boil the leaf in the alcohol, what happened? The color of the chlorophyll will go out. The green color will go out. That is what we call as a decoloration of the leaf. Okay. So these are the basic things children required for the experiment. Destarching, decoloration, why the chlorophyll has been removed, then why the KOH is being used, what is the function of the Vaseline, then which setup will be giving you the result of the starch and which will not be giving. So both can be compared together. Clear? Just go through the experiment once again, learn it. Okay, understand each and every point. What does it mean? And if in case still you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. So I have received from Aditi, I have received from Manasvi, and then I have received from Sudeep. I have received from Kusum. I have received from Gitanjali. Okay. Others also send it. Who is remaining now? Kusum, I have got. Ishmita, I have got. Manvita, I have got. Rashmika, I think you are remaining. Rashmita.
Yes,
Rashmi-
ma'am. I am sending the notes.
Okay. Rashmika, Pranay, you are remaining. Okay. Okay, children, then all right. And how was the last physics class? I think ma'am might have taken, right? No.
Yes.
Okay. All right, fine. Fine, children, then. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you.